Hello, this week we have a very special feature because, as some of you know, I am over in England at the moment. This is my dad, Michael, and he has a caravan.
Yes, a huge big English caravan.
A huge big reflection travel trailer, as you can see behind me. So I figured we'd give you a little tour so you can see how the British do this.
It really makes me wonder.
You're like, I don't know if it opens anymore. Oh, there we go.
That's the battery.
All right, first port is the battery. That's what the first bit is for. Then we have the power, obviously.
That's where you put the power in.
Okay.
And that's where the water goes in.
Water, okay. And then what's that? Just a vent here?
That's just a vent.
Okay, and then this one over here. What's
That
this?
is where you empty the toilet.
Oh, so this is the cassette, correct?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have to put it out. It's okay. I think you have to push the yellow thing. Yeah. Oh, so there we go. Americans, that's how the Brits do it. You pull the cassette out and you go and empty that.
Yep.
So we have some more storage at the front. How spacious and compact. And where do your LPG tanks go?
In here.
Oh, they go inside. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh, look at the little tank. It's just one. I didn't expect that.
Another one there.
Oh, okay. So here's some storage and where they keep their propane. All right, onto the inside. We have fancy steps here. They're not mow ride, I can tell you that. But, you know, it's a step. Do-do-do. All right, let's get in here. So, as you can see, we have this fancy dining area here. Some curtains. Lots of storage. Quite a bit more storage than I thought. Okay, so first door.
That's the toilet.
Okay, so
And shower.
okay. She warned me that it would be full of stuff at the moment because you haven't been for a while, but yes, just a standard shower and toilet in here. And then, don't know how that goes. It's pushing stuff. Okay. What else have we got? We've ripped the curtains down. That's handy. This is the fridge.
That's the wardrobe.
Oh, it's quite spacious.
Yeah, they've got another storage area under there.
Yeah.
The table.
Table and more storage down there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Gas heater.
A little gas heater here.
And then the storage underneath all these.
Under bed storage. Now, Mum did also tell me that apparently there's a piece that goes between the two beds to make it a double, but it's really hard.
Pull this out.
Right, she said, but it gets a bit stuck, so you guys haven't done it.
No.
Oh, because it's slats. So, yeah, that would have to open, like, perfectly to get that out.
Yeah.
Oh. So over here, we have some more cabinets.
Yes.
Lots of storagey things.
The radio.
What's this?
We've never known what that is. It has always been here. We have no idea what it's for. Never have. So, it's just a... I don't know.
If anyone knows, let us know what this is. If it's just a fold-away shelf, might just be a fold-away shelf. So then what's it? This is all your lighting panel.
That's all the
battery.
controls.
Shows how many battery powers left. We're all coming down with the sickness. What are these bits for?
Fuses.
Oh, okay. Huh. Old school. We've got the old. That's not a cassette, is it? No, it's a
No, it's just a radio.
Just a radio. Okay. And then over here, what's this? Just a. Oh, that's a speaker for the.
Yeah.
It looks like a car stereo. And did you add this on, or was this here?
No, that was always there.
Oh, okay. And here you got another speaker and more storage.
Yeah.
Then we come to the kitchen. So the kitchen has lots of normal kitchen-y things. Yep. Then we come down, we have a gas, well, propane cooker.
Cooker, yeah. Which,
3 style, same, very similar to ours.
and then grill.
Nice. A grill under there. And then that's the fridge, correct?
That's the fridge.
Yes. And a fridge in there. Nice.
That shouldn't be closed, that should be left open.
Oh, might want to leave that open to air.
Yeah, well, yeah.
And then what's that? Just a normal outlet here.
Yeah, just an old plug in.
And then obviously this fold across to give you more work surface.
Work surface if you need to.
Yeah.
Use
And then that's your fresh water.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. So there you go. That's how the British do it. Well, some of them. This is a very old trailer, obviously. It's not one of the new ones. But I hope you enjoyed the tour inside a Reflection UK style. As a little bonus added treat, something else that I know a lot of Americans like. My dad actually purchased a MG Midget. Now, what year did you buy this one, Dad? Because I know you've had 2. I want to say it was like 2001, 2-ish. Maybe a little bit later, because...
At least 20 years ago.
At least 20 years ago. So let's go and have a look at the MG.
Yeah, it's a 1500 engine. Carburettor. Water cooled. Of course.
So what year is this MG?
1976.
1976. Have a look at the enormous boot, also known as the trunk, in America. So maybe 1 set of golf clubs.
You wouldn't even get a set of golf clubs in it. They go on the rack, the boot rack.
So fun fact, my dad did actually have an MG Midget when you were in your 20s?
Yeah.
Was that the same one as this?
No.
What model did you have before?
Oh, it's a very old, it was a 900cc.
Blue, correct?
Blue.
A blue one, yeah.
Blue one. And that was, I can't remember how old that was. That was at least 50 years old, that one. This is 40 years old now. And now, because it is, we don't pay any MOT or road tax to put it on the road.
Nice.
Just got to pay insurance.
Nice. So that's handy.
Yeah, it is.
So yes, a nice weekend car for the British.
Little runs out in our little small roads in the country.
And the few days you actually get to use it because of the weather. Alright, so I've switched Dad out for Mum now, because he's still playing with the car. But you guys only really use this for a couple of times a year, correct?
Correct.
Yes, and I don't think you've actually used it at all
This year, no.
this year. But
No.
it is still winterised, so that's why all the stuff's still in there. Because Mum was like, "Oh no, there's stuff in the bathroom," but that's why. So, but you enjoy getting out and doing some
Yeah,
short
we love going
vacations.
for long walks with the dogs, but at the moment we can't do it because we've got 3 dogs.
That's true. That would be very much in this.
And when we only had 1 dog, it would be easier because that 1 dog used to come on our bed and sleep after when he came out of his cage in the morning, so that we had room. But with 3 dogs, it's a bit awkward to do, so we've decided not to go out this year.
And then just to give you an idea of the size, what would you say? This is a 24-foot, correct?
Yes, correct.
I would say this is about the same size as a Sprinter van, maybe a bit smaller.
Hard to say. I'm not sure how big a Sprinter van is.
Oh, well,
I
then
don't
she's
know.
not much use to me right now. But yeah, we're looking about a van size, so this is a small unit. Well, that's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I will recover from this lovely English cold by next week's video. But other than that, if you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, do all the things. I can't remember, Lawrence usually does this. I know if you join, you can support a couple of tits. And there's a thanks button if you would like to do a thanks. Other than that, we will see you next week.